Yeah.
But we have this thing now.
Who's this?
It's like, you want to get my name tattooed? Show them your bomb. My name is Day.
Ha!
Not his name, it's his initial.
Yeah.
Ha!
Yeah.
Where's the phones?
Ha!
Here.
Gonna see ya.
Oh, sorry, he has to serve it.
You can see ya.
What the fuck? I can't see it.
Fun.
This is about to be the cutest relationship ever.
Damn. Gonna see ya, gonna Arjin. Hey, Arjin. What's that kanje manje nkabi yami?
My name is Josephdary. I'm back again with another video. I'm just holding a different mic.
I don't know what's
looking like someone's.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
How long have you been dating this guy?
We've known each other for a year. We've been dating for a month.
A month.
Oh, for 4 months.
4 months.
In front of everyone else, a month.
What's your name?
That's
Yeah.
an 8-man talking stage, bro.
You're famous on the internet. What do you say about that?
Hey, shout out to you guys, man.
Do you think they love you or you just...
I know they love me. Shout out to you.
Oh, shout out to her fans, my brother. I don't like men with nose ring because they think they're taking our women. At that time, us, we take them with the weight. How are you? What's your name?
That's good. That's popping, guys. That boy Arjin, you know what I'm saying? That boy.
My man, here we don't do that. Here you are a couple. You're not Arjin. You're not here on the internet. Here you are Josephdary show. So what I want you guys to do is that give me an internet couple that's gonna exchange phones, and we check if ever one of you guys is clean or not.
I'll go first.
We're gonna start with.
So do you guys sometimes exchange the nose rings? It's a problem for me, like.
Doesn't stack. It doesn't come out. I've had it.
Oh, you
for
don't
4 years.
exchange the nose rings? Oh, it's not easy. You can't take yours and put it there and then take. Oh, it's the size. That's not easy.
Nah, just like her doesn't come out, mine doesn't come out. Nothing comes out.
Yeah.
Oh, do you love her though?
My boy, this one I
So
love.
tell me, between her and your ex, who did you love? Don't lie. I said, tell me, don't lie.
Where?
There you guys go. Hi.
So,
Let me-
amongst all of your exes, amongst all of your exes, which one did you love the most?
Amongst all my exes.
Yeah, all amongst all, and then you're putting her inside. Maybe not as your ex, cause maybe this might end.
Actually, see now you say that because it's not gonna end, so I can't answer that question. Okay.
But let's say we're
Okay.
putting her.
Hypothetically, okay, I will.
Let's say right now
Her.
they are all your girlfriends.
Her.
Let's say that right now they are all your girlfriends.
Huh.
I'll
We
pay
love
him
him
shout
more.
to Joseph.
So my sister, this one has to go direct to the heart. All of your boyfriends, no, between these two boyfriends, who do you love the most?
Him.
Oh, you never loved your. Be honest, my sister.
It was never official.
Oh.
Go Shubi. Shubiolas.
Aish, I'm sorry, my boy. Officialize. Here it's official. We're hearing from you.
Official,
Say
yeah.
it, say it.
Here it's official.
Yo, what did you give her?
Love.
Joseph looking nasty, fam. He looking nasty.
Are you spending a lot here? Be honest.
I'm spending a lot. I don't. You need to spend money in thingy. Dog, we in Cape Town. How do you think we got to Cape Town?
Real man. I don't do that. What he does, I run around alone like a loner.
James, we're gonna
So
find
guys, let's exchange phone for 60 seconds first, because I wanted you guys to finish eating. So you know, oh, you want me to go through it? Okay, let's go.
Because my phone's on 2%.
Let me unlock it for you.
Oh,
2% see ya.
My face ID
Oh,
is on it.
I don't know. I forgot her name.
Open.
So your ex never had a face ID.
Why would he have it? We're not official. It was not that deep.
So have you ever cheated on him? With him?
Oh, nah, I never cheated on him.
With him?
With him? No. We got back together after him and I broke up.
Oh, but you guys never official. Yeah, whatever whatever prank you guys were praying. Okay.
Umcholo, wait, Umcholo ga aya.
Got
No
a phone,
see
what's
ya.
up, boy?
No go shoot
Baby,
was
I
a
trust
prank.
you. I've seen your videos. I trust you. How do you share?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sipila way now.
Let me see.
I love it.
What did you save him as?
Arjin, A-Y-C-A-N.
Yeah, Arjin.
Aiken,
You'll see it.
basically.
Okay. Arjin.
Arjin's been waiting for this moment. How locked in he is.
Latita.
It's a
Latita
girl.
Bongo. It's a girl. You can open it.
Okay, it's fine. This is Arjin.
Yeah, that's him.
That's me.
With the heart. He's the only nigga that has a heart.
Privileges with Arjin.
Mfana, when the heart is easy to remove from the
I know.
yeah.
But we have this thing now.
Who's this?
It's like Melissa, my Oli, her grandmother, Melissa, her sister.
No, not Melissa. I wanted my Oli. What?
Yeah, my Oli.
Also, don't defend Arjin.
Where this? Okay.
He's playing defense for her, but
Type, I'm outside.
No, don't worry.
Time morning after peel.
yo, they're trolling you. Oh no.
Let me see sex.
Oh no,
Sex,
Joseph.
I said
Sex.
But what can she cheat?
I'm pregnant.
Oh, no.
Type.
Where you at?
Where are you?
Yeah, where are you?
No, boy.
Yeah.
Or even I'm here.
One of them has
Now
to be
I feel
hiding
like you
something
guys
because no
already
way.
know. Joseph one day is gonna catch us, baby. Let's be
Is that thing of like,
So are we allowed to get in
Don't let them cook you, Joseph. Don't.
these pictures? Are we allowed to check the pictures?
Yeah.
Or he's
Yeah, you
allowed?
can, yeah.
Okay, yeah, check
That's
them, my
fair.
brother. Just go up there. Give me yours in the meantime. You gotta cheat them alone, my brother. What
see,
if they...
these are pictures of me when I got an allergic reaction. She sent it to my mom. She talked to my mom.
Yeah, Chad was his mom too.
Oh.
My
They
face
locked
ID
in,
is
eh?
on
You also have a face ID.
Yes.
Hey.
Guys.
Didn't open. I think because I'm wearing makeup. I don't
That's our next couple right there.
If face ID I say because she's wearing makeup though. You're allowed to makeup, but the on it. You're changing yourselves. You are not identified anymore with my makeup. Yeah. It's shy.
Open it, my sister.
It's crazy work, though.
Yeah, we still not.
It's crazy work. She's
Still
looking different
He
with the
changed
makeup.
it.
Nothing. Go to Instagram, boy. Have you checked this phone before? So you changed your password?
No. It's just I took the last two letters around. That thing when you're like the heart
Arjin,
will
you're
change, the heart
suspicious.
can be removed. Yeah. But she has a face
Ask
ID.
him why he changed it.
I don't know why. Why did you change it?
Turn off the brightness.
Oh no, that's not yours. That's his.
That's mine. Turn up the brightness.
Okay. So mfana bana loyal.
Magna.
Eh.
When I got cheated up, man.
Ah, namfana
This is my boy.
I don't like
This
being
my
loyal,
boy is crazy though.
I don't like being loyal, boy. Okay.
This is me, Siamtana.
Okay, who's this? Buyo.
Oh, it's
Who is
Sia.
his a boy, his manager, best friend.
My manager, basically.
Okay.
That's his mom.
Mom Toloban. Mom.
Okay.
That's all. Kenna is his boy. Kenna. Everyone knows Manny Kenna.
But why are they sending love though? Why are you? Why
They love
is?
each other. They
Away
they're
love.
brothers.
We'll
Away
link
love.
tomorrow.
We'll
Cut
link
the
tomorrow.
DP.
Yeah.
What if
nigga.
you? What if it's? Oh.
Arjin is gay though. Nah, my boy bisexual though. Nah.
The people that
can't.
watch my videos, they know who can.
There's nothing there, Shem. You end up seeing my bums. It's
Oh, check them yourself. Reduce. Yeah. Hey,
There's nothing.
search.
Okay,
You can search.
But I still
Where
want
are you?
Instagram on her phone, boy. Go to the Instagram there.
You can do
I
Instagram
send
on.
I send her a DM.
You wanna do
I
Instagram?
send her a DM. Check it on the Instagram there.
If you send her a DM on her account on my phone.
There's my Instagram.
We have everything. I have her TikTok. She has my TikTok. I have her IG. She has my IG.
Yeah.
I'm very wrong, Joseph.
This is
So you guys think this is real love?
I'm not looking for anyone else, and I know he isn't either. So what are we still doing?
you see.
When is the kid coming to
Let me
the
say.
app?
Let me say like this. Now it's like in life. Now you guys have to realize that at some point you have to grow up. If you want to be with somebody, then be with somebody. Don't be in a child's game with somebody. You guys are wasting somebody's time. That's somebody's soulmate in the future. So like this is my soulmate. So like I'm done wasting time. I'd rather be with her than waste time with somebody else. That's why I'm loyal.
Thank you for the motivation, my sister.
We'll
What's your
see you now, my
motivation
boy.
today?
This food is
This
actually
lo-
busting. If you're not at cutting,
Okay, what?
what
Okay,
you doing?
yeah. You're saying
I love you. Cotton paste.
I'm saying the food is busting. If you're not at cutting first, I don't know what you're doing. This rap is actually
shout out to
nice.
Cotton Fest,
Shout
by
out to
the
Cutting
way.
Fest.
You
Yeah.
were saying him.
I'm just saying, man. Like sometimes you need to go through pranks and shit like that to actually find out to find what's real exactly. And actually, now when you see the difference, you realize that you were actually settling. But I
Can I ask? This one is going personal again. Was everything prank?
no, it was
Even inside the pants?
no.
Oh, inside the pants was not
No,
prank.
it's just jokes. Not everything was a prank. At some
No,
point.
not. Listen to me figuratively. Don't listen to me structurally.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying everything inside the pants was it like prank?
I know he says it's not a prank. Maybe the other niggas was, yeah.
I'm asking if the other nigga was prank in the or
Go stupid. I'm talking about you, my boy.
We both don't understand. It's like, what do you
you guys don't understand the question.
Hey, Joseph.
I was asking that is your ex everything that you guys did, even inside the bed prank.
We didn't do anything inside the bed.
We didn't do anything.
Yeah.
No, she's
My
lying.
sister, how much did you make from this man? You even
Sir,
taking care of this other man. Because of the looks of this man.
You think she take care of me?
No, I know you're taking care of yourself. But I love the fact that you guys are working together, man. I hate loyal couples, I'm not gonna lie to them. But personally, I think she's cheating. I conclude, I think she's cheating. Personally, my boy is in love. I'm on. Next time you're gonna see his channel, they're gonna be together on the profile picture. I said it.
On my channel.
Yeah, that's too love.
That's too crazy.
No, so you can't do that.
That's too crazy. That's
can't do
work.
that.
We separate work from our personal lives. Yeah.
I shout out guys for participating.
The most I probably do is put her name, her handle, like you see at Peachy Sprinkles.
So
on my,
can you do a tattoo of him?
I'm saying, like,
No.
that's the most I do, but I wouldn't go to.
Who can you do a tattoo of you?
My mom.
You didn't get my
Not
name tattooed.
man.
He has
Yeah,
his
she
mom's
said
date
she-
of birth.
You wouldn't get my name tattooed. Show them your bum. My name is there.
Ha!
It's not his name, it's his initial.
Yeah.
Ha!
In your bum.
Signature, fam.
Yeah. It's there.
Damn. That nyash is pre-owned.
Papa. I told
It's owned by somebody by now, though. It's shy. Whoever has see her, you done. You're
Hi,
getting
next
another
nigga.
signature.
What
then.
they gonna do
Shy,
with this one?
I just
But yeah, do what you do. I'm gonna keep on doing what I do best. This is the best couple, man, and my next couple is the best one, better than this one, because I'm about to be in a relationship. No, I'm about to be in a
Going to
relationship.
find, I'm going to help Joseph I'm going to do the loyalty test next time when we see Joseph. I am going to do
Arjin
it.
is
You
looking
see Joseph
angry,
is
deep
cheating,
down.
nah.
I have 15 phones. The one
You
I
see when Joseph cheats, nah?
you'll never see it. I have 15 phones. The one I cheat with, you'll never see it. Even myself, I don't see
Nah, boy
it.
taller. Boy taller, nah. Boy
Do
taller.
what you do, we're gonna do what we do best. Shout out to Cotton Fest, man. Yeah.
Yes, sir! Shout out for watching, yo. Say we'll cover in the next episode, dog. Say it's been crazy. The signature way. My boy done Sunday in that nyash, dog. It's copyrighted. You cannot be using that nyash. It's shy. But anyways, see you all in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Pa, pa, pa. Hey, Josephdary. Not loyal, that's one. Watch out. Hey, Mufazi wake. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.